因为所有的犯罪行为都是因为没有进化好的表现。
什么意思？
现在的社会，大家其实慢慢已经达成了一种共识：如果还是像以前一样互相掠夺的话，这世界上的价值是不会有增加的，人类也不会有进步。所以大家都倾向于共同去创造更多的力量。
我明白了。
可以啊，马上。以前我心情不好的时候，你安慰我怎么没有这么顺溜呢？
人都是在进步嘛。
仲行㗎。
Got it。
马上，你听见了吗？
听见了，跟之前一样，来电是加密模拟信号，没办法进行定位。
我明白了。
Why are you giving her the order in English?
This is your plan. But to be honest, I don't think it will succeed. She's probably working with MSS. I used English because I want to disturb their judgment, and I'm not going to let you plan to expose my identity.
So your plan is for them to suspect me?
So you want them to suspect me?
Nothing, just keep going. How about these two here? Are they both MSS?
Yeah, old fellas.
Perfect timing. Maybe this is our chance to get rid of all our problems at once.
How much you know about chess? You know, running a mission is like playing chess. You can only make one move at a time, and every move has its purpose. Also, you can make a complicated trap, but you need to get out of it by patiently taking one step at a time instead of solving all your problems at once.
All right. So what are you doing here?
I'm going to release her from their vision.
Perfect.
So what is yours? Well, stop. Don't use the front door.
I don't know other ways.
You will find it.
他想干什么？
走正门要通过安检，他包里的东西有问题。
沉睡者太狡猾了，我们的人根本没有办法靠近苗飞，连递个纸条都不行。
现在我们只能希望苗飞能够主动讨还。
You'll find in the staff entrance. Chop chop. Don't waste time.
I just hope to finish quickly.
This is your last mission. I promise.
I don't believe you. All you want is just for me to bring your computer into the venue?
电脑？我还以为至少是一个窃取数据的装置。
There is only a computer. You wanna steal the data in this?
Are you trying to trap me?
No.
Then shut up. I'll find the passage.
我觉得有点不太对劲。你提醒王总，蝙蝠可能随时会出现。
OK。
便携式 EMI 产生器在哪？
在侦察车里。
王总，您那边怎么样？
一切正常。
蝙蝠随时会行动，马上让我提醒你，时刻注意邹教授身边的情况。
明白。